Those estimates, that is for Axis Bank. But let's move from banks to big tech now. IT major Wipro will also be reporting its fourth quarter numbers after market hours. So Reema is joining us with the key expectations. Reema, the last of the big tech earnings coming through today with Wipro and Tech Mahindra. But tell us what to expect from Wipro.
A muted quarter, a dollar revenue growth seen up 1%, but constant currency revenue growth will actually possibly decline or maybe come in flat. This will be within the company's guidance of -0.6 to +1%. EBIT margins are seen flat but with a positive bias, so our consensus is throwing up margins of 16.2% and expansion of 20 basis points. The key will be the Q1 FY24 guidance, the guidance for the next quarter. Now, most analysts are expecting the company to guide from -1 to +1%. Ambit, CLSA, Kotak, all of them are penciling that as the guidance, -1 to +1. Though there is Nomura, which expects a growth slightly better, 0 to 2%. The key will be the impact of the exposure to companies like SVB, Silvergate, Signature Bank, Credit Suisse. The company has an aspiration to hit margins of 17% plus. Currently, they're at 16%. So what's the glide path to achieve those margins? Also, the company has a very high exposure to consulting, and consulting typically gets hit when the times are rough and companies want to conserve cash. And also deal wins. Now, last quarter, the company had very strong deal wins of $1 billion. Is that something which will sustain in the current quarter, or is it tapering off? Will be watched closely. Back to you.
All right, those are all of the estimates